to talk about the 28th color chosen by Pantone. Yes, because Pantone is, since the year 2000, the official entity in charge of choosing the color of the year. And Pantone has already announced that the color of 2025 is Mocha Mousse. And what does that mean to all of us? Basically, Pantone selects a color each year that captures the global zeitgeist. The color that is chosen by Pantone expresses a global mood, a global attitude, reflecting a collective desire in the form of a single distinctive hue. Mocha Mousse is a warming brown shade. It is impregnated with richness because it's associated with delightful foods as chocolate, cocoa, coffee. Mocha Mousse is a delectable brown and will transport our senses into the pleasure and deliciousness that inspires. In fashion, as in other fields like architecture, for instance, Mocha Mousse conveys a new subtle sophistication. So it promotes a pure and organic approach to luxury. And so wearing Mocha Mousse in your outfits will allow you to do these effortless, elegant outfits that will express a quiet, chic vibe. On the other hand, this color is really adaptable because it's a neutral shade that will blend effortlessly with any color we already have in our wardrobes. And that was we have seen on the runways by the hands especially of Hermès, Tod's, Max Mara, Philosophy and others. Designers have embraced Mocha Mousse in all its different shades. We are going to see from the lightest beige to a warmer beige to a darker beige and also to the most rich and darker chocolate hues. So indeed Mocha Mousse is the hue that was chosen, but everything within brown is on trend this season. So how can we wear and incorporate this beautiful color into our lives? Knowing in advance that Mocha Mousse is the trendy color for 2025, first of all, what I'm going to be is look inside my wardrobe and try to find and select the pieces I own in these different shades of brown. It doesn't have to be this exact shade of Mocha Mousse. As I already said, Mocha Mousse is the hue, but everything within brown is really on trend. No shopping needed for now, unless you want. First of all, go and look inside your wardrobe and try to find and select everything you own in this brown color. It might be footwear, bags, belts, any accessory, complements. And now that I have my pieces separated, let's see how we can style this color for the remaining winter days that we still have ahead. Of course, this Mocha Mousse and all these brown hues and shades are going to be the favorite and prominent color of 2025, and of course it will transition into spring, into summer and even into the next fall and winter. But right now we are in January, days are still very cold, and so my outfits will be focused on the weather that is making now. Okay, let's start. I have 6 fabulous ways to style and incorporate this color into our outfits. The first one is pairing Mocha Mousse with any creams in whites or off-whites that will make for a soft contrast, creating a subtle yet refined contrast. This feels balanced and at the same time polished. You want to highlight your outfits, pairing this color with creams, off-whites will make for a light, harmonious outfit. Because the gentle warmth of the creams will contrast with the mocha's depth, making it a flexible option for either casual outfits but also dressier ones as well. So for a polished daytime look, you can also choose your shoes and your bag in the same color that will tie everything together. You can opt and choose according to your preference and according to what you already own in your wardrobe. So, like I said, no shopping needed. For me, one of the best and fabulous ways to go and to wear this new shade is going monochromatic. And again, you don't have to wear all your pieces in the outfit in the same shade. You can choose within this color even if it's in different shades. Monochromatic outfits are indeed a brilliant way to create a cohesive and polished look that feels intentional and refined, because we see that we have put some effort into our outfits, but is at the same time effortlessly chic. Dressing head to toe in Mocha Mousse will allow this color to truly shine and being the focal point of your outfit. You can experiment with different textures, also suede textures with their matte and velvety finish are another excellent option that adds a sense of warmth and depth to your outfit. Leather pieces are also beautiful to make standout looks that are both modern and chic at the same time. These are all beautiful contrasts that play a special role. These will give more interest and more depth to your outfits as you are wearing everything in the same color. Another way that I just love to pair mocha is with denim, as these will make for these casual yet chic outfits. Denim and mocha offer an harmonious blend of toughness and warmth, making for a natural pairing for casual winter days. The richness of mocha brings a refined touch to the relaxed feel of denim. These will create a balance that is both informal and stylish. These fall and winter suede mocha jackets, dark beige jackets, brown suede are having a spotlight moment, and when paired with straight leg denim jeans creates a refined yet casual look that is effortlessly modern. Whether you choose for a cropped jacket or a longer blazer, this piece will elevate the denim pieces to new levels of chic. You will be very stylish. But if you don't wear leather or suede, you can pair your denim jeans with mocha toned knitwear pieces, because these will make for a perfect balance between style and comfort. Knitwear is the ultimate coziness piece to wear, and this paired with denim jeans will make for a beautiful outfit. Another way is adding a pop of color to your brown hues. Incorporating a pop of color adds a joyful touch to your outfits. You can pair any mocha tones with colors like blue, red or burgundy or olive green, and this will make for a dynamic and visually interesting ensemble. Prada's collection for Spring and Summer 2025 is full of pinks, and you can recreate this idea. Of course, we are not in the spring, we are still in winter, and so I'm pairing and choosing pieces that are warmer, but also in these pink tones that pairs beautifully with any mocha or brown hues. I have this cardigan from Cezanne that is in this vintage pink. It's more of a subtle kind of muted pink. Mocha and pink shades create a striking combination of warmth and vibrancy. Of course, depending on the shade of pink you want to wear. Try to find in your wardrobe shades that pairs beautifully among each other. And number 5 is wearing and incorporating Mocha Mousse in any shade of brown through the form of complements and accessories. Mocha Mousse bags, shoes and belts are a powerful way to incorporate this trendy color into our wardrobes with ease and elegance. After all, Mocha Mousse is also a classic color, and everybody should already have some items in brown within their wardrobes. Coordinating your complements in Mocha Mousse will make for harmonious outfits while staying perfectly on trend with the season's favorite color. Brown accessories will be the perfect finishing touch for a more neutral base. last but not least, another wonderful way is opt for gold jewelry instead of silver. Gold is warm. Usually brown is also associated with warmth, with chocolate, with rich tones. Gold jewelry will be the perfect complement for brown outfits. Of course, there are also cool shades of brown, but in general we tend to associate brown as a warm color. Mocha Mousse takes on a new level of sophistication when paired with the luxurious sheen of gold. I think the earthy richness of the brown tones will harmonize beautifully with the luminous glow of the gold jewelry. And here you can opt for more dainty or fine jewelry, but you can opt as well for costume jewelry, depending on your personal style, depending on what you already own. But instead of silver, try and pair brown with gold jewelry. I think this will make for the perfect combo. And there you have it, 6 fabulous ways to style the color of 2025. From monochromatic outfits to gold accents, this versatile color opens up endless possibilities for creating chic and contemporary looks. And don't forget, this is an easy way to add a modern and fresh feel to your outfits, even if you own classic pieces that are in your wardrobe for years and years. Bringing back those brown hues will make for modern outfits more contemporary. You will look fresher and you will look younger as well. But don't forget that the key to mastering this trend, as any other trend, is to make it your own by incorporating pieces that resonate with your personal style. Like I say, in the end of the day, let's use these trends in our favor. If you enjoyed today's video, please like it. I hope it was really helpful. I hope it could give you some inspiration. Look into your own wardrobes and try to experiment and wear what you already own. I would love as well if you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you are new, hello, my name is Sandra. Welcome to my channel. I would love to have you here. Again, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next Monday. Bye bye!